GVO is a leadership system, and you can be the next to join our leadership team and profit along with us and some of the greatest marketers in the internet business online. Come on in, give it a try, and you will not be sorry. I'll explain the benefits shortly. Here is a slide that depicts what the value of each of the components of GVO might cost you if you were to go out and purchase them one on a time. I'll let you peruse these yourself. You can look them over and find out all of the value that you get in this system. But I want to tell you that you could go out and purchase this right now for only $1 and drive that system for 14 days to show yourself what a remarkable system it is. Come on in and give it a try, and if you also join the Crazy Foxes marketing group, we will help you for free.